Good morning, African Stars International School learners. I'm Teacher Hileni, your pre-primary level 2A teacher. Welcome to your mathematics e-learning lesson. In today's lesson, we will be learning about odd and even numbers. Before we go ahead, here is the feedback from your previous activity. The numbers in red, these are the answers that you were supposed to fill in for your previous activity. We will look at the number line from 1 to 10. The numbers in red, they are the odd numbers, them being 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. While the even numbers are the numbers in black, they are 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. Even numbers are numbers that can be divided by 2 without a remainder. Example, 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. Any number ending with 2, 4, 6, 8, or 0 is an even number. How do we know a number is even? That is when we divide the number by 2 or we put them into pairs and all the items have a partner, no number remains alone. For example, if we look at the at the two houses here, we can pair them up. We put them in a circle, two houses. There you go. And if you look at the two houses, they are both in a circle, meaning no house is left without a partner. Let's move on to number 6. Let's put these cylinders in circles, into pairs, like that. We have 2. Then we have another pair there. And another one here. So we can see that we have 3 pairs and no item remains alone. Let's move on to number 10. Let's put them into pairs. We group them, we divide them by 2. Put them in 2s. Can we see? We have 5 pairs. Each pair has 2 clouds and no clouds remains outside without being encircled. So, in simple, even numbers, when divided by 2, you are left with no remainder. Odd numbers, these are numbers that when divided by 2, you will have 1 as a remainder. For example, 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Any number that ends with 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. For example, 13, 27. Those are even numbers. How can we determine whether a number is an odd number? Well, when we divide the number by 2, you will always have 1 as a remainder. For example, if we look at the 3 rhombus that we are given here, if we are to group them or divide them by 2, you will see that we will have 1 as a remainder. So there you go. We have the two rhombus in a circle, and then we have one remaining. It does not have a partner. Moving on to the number 5. We do the same. We put them into pairs. The first pair, the second pair, and then we can see that the last star does not have a partner, so that tells us that number 5 is an even number. Let's continue with number 7, putting them into pairs. Let's group them. Okay, can we see that for number 7 we have 3 pairs, and then we have one lightning left without a partner. For your activity, you will have to determine whether the following are odd or even numbers. Number 1, there you have 4 dots. Number 2, you have 7 dots. Number 3, you have 5 dots. And number 4, you have 2 dots. What you will do is you will put the dots into pairs, and then you will be able to determine whether they are in odd or even form. Remember, even numbers, every item has a partner, whilst odd numbers, one item will be left without a partner. We have come to the end of today's lesson. Answers to the activity will be provided in our next lesson. Remember to stay safe, wash your hands, and avoid crowded places in order to fight COVID-19.